Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has long been the subject of scientific study and speculation. Its barren, rusty landscape may look inhospitable, but scientists believe that it may once have been a more temperate world with liquid water on its surface. In recent years, the search for water on Mars has become a priority, as scientists hope to not only understand the planet's history, but also lay the foundation for future human exploration. We will talk about the past, present, and future, so let's explore together. The search for water on Mars has been ongoing for decades, with several missions dedicated to finding evidence of the elusive substance. The Viking missions in the 1970s were some of the first to search for signs of water on the Red Planet. Although they didn't find any direct evidence of liquid water, they did detect unusual soil chemistry that could have been indicative of past water activity. This paved the way for future missions to Mars, which aimed to build upon the discoveries of the Vikings and search for water in new ways. In recent years, the search for water on Mars has ramped up, with several missions actively seeking out evidence of the substance. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter has been mapping the planet's surface in detail, looking for signs of water-carved valleys and other indications of past water activity. On the surface, the Mars rover's Opportunity and Curiosity have been collecting data and soil samples that hint at the presence of water in Mars's distant past. These missions have given us a better understanding of Mars and the potential for finding water, but the search is far from over. The search for water on Mars is far from over, and in the coming years, we can expect even more exciting missions to the Red Planet. The Mars Sample Return mission, planned for the late 2020, will bring Martian rock and soil samples back to Earth for further analysis, giving us a deeper understanding of the planet's history and the potential for finding water. There are also plans for future missions to send astronauts to Mars, which will allow us to explore the planet and search for water in ways that have never been possible before. These missions will build upon the work of the past and present, taking us closer to finding out if water does or ever did exist on Mars. The search for water on Mars is an ongoing journey, but with each new discovery, we inch closer to understanding the Red Planet and its potential for supporting life. Whether it's through robots on the surface or humans on the ground, the quest to find water on Mars will continue as we explore and uncover the secrets of this mysterious world. Water activity and the potential for underground reservoirs give us hope that water exists on Mars, or has existed in the past. The future of the search for water on Mars is bright, with exciting new missions planned that will build upon the work of the past and take us closer to finding out if this precious resource is present on the planet. Whether we find water or not, the search for water on Mars will continue to play a crucial role in our understanding of the planet and its potential for supporting life. Ultimately, the search for water on Mars is just one aspect of a larger journey of exploration and discovery as we strive to understand more about our solar system and the universe beyond. What will happen if we find water on Mars? If we were to find water, it would have a significant impact on our understanding of the planet and the potential for future human exploration. Here are some of the key implications of finding water on Mars. Number 1, habitability. The presence of water is considered one of the key indicators of a planet's potential to support life. If we were to find water on Mars, it would increase the chances of the planet being hospitable to life and increase the potential for future efforts to search for signs of life on the planet. Number 2, human exploration. The presence of water on Mars would make it much easier for humans to explore and live on the planet. Water is a critical resource for human survival, and finding it would make it much easier to establish a sustainable human settlement on the planet. Number 3, scientific discoveries. The discovery of water would be a major scientific breakthrough, opening up new avenues for research and discovery. Scientists would be able to study the water and learn more about the planet's history and geology, as well as the potential for life on Mars. We have much more to learn. The discovery of water would have far-reaching implications, both scientifically and technologically. It would open up new opportunities for exploration, discovery, and economic development, and bring us closer to unlocking the secrets of this fascinating planet.